Traveling is an exciting adventure, but it can also pose challenges to maintaining your health. Whether you're on a business trip or exploring a new country, staying healthy should always be a priority. In this video, we'll explore practical tips and strategies to help you feel your best while on the road. From preparing before your journey to making smart choices during your travels, these insights will help you avoid common pitfalls and enjoy your trip to the fullest. Let's dive into how you can stay healthy and energized wherever your travels take you. Good health on the road starts before you even leave home. Planning ahead can make a huge difference in how you feel during your trip. Research your destination's health risks, such as required vaccinations or common illnesses. Make a checklist of essential items like medications, first aid supplies, and health documents. By being proactive, you can prevent many health issues and travel with peace of mind. Preparation is the first step to a safe and enjoyable journey. Packing smart is key to staying healthy while traveling. Bring comfortable clothing suitable for the climate and activities you have planned. Don't forget to include a reusable water bottle, healthy snacks, and any personal hygiene products you may need. Packing light also helps reduce physical strain, making it easier to move around and enjoy your trip. Remember, less is often more when it comes to travel. Hydration is often overlooked during travel, but it's crucial for your well-being. Long flights, changes in climate, and increased activity can all lead to dehydration. Carry a refillable water bottle and make it a habit to drink water regularly. Avoid excessive caffeine and alcohol, as they can contribute to dehydration. Staying hydrated helps you feel more energetic and reduces the risk of headaches and fatigue. Eating well while traveling can be a challenge, especially with tempting fast food and unfamiliar cuisines. Aim to eat balanced meals that include fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Don't skip meals, and try to avoid overeating, especially late at night. If you have dietary restrictions, research local food options in advance. Making mindful food choices will keep your energy levels steady and support your immune system. Snacking is inevitable during travel, but your choices matter. Instead of reaching for sugary or processed snacks, opt for healthier options like nuts, dried fruit, or granola bars. These provide sustained energy and help you avoid blood sugar crashes. Packing your own snacks also ensures you have something nutritious on hand no matter where you are. Smart snacking keeps you fueled and focused throughout your journey. Getting enough rest is essential for staying healthy while traveling. Jet lag, unfamiliar beds, and busy schedules can disrupt your sleep. Try to maintain a consistent sleep routine, even when crossing time zones. Bring items that help you sleep, such as an eye mask or earplugs. Avoid screens before bedtime and create a relaxing environment to help you unwind. Quality sleep boosts your immune system and helps you recover from travel fatigue. Physical activity is important, even when you're away from home. Long periods of sitting during flights or car rides can leave you feeling stiff and tired. Take breaks to stretch, walk around, or do simple exercises. Explore your destination on foot or rent a bike to stay active. Regular movement improves circulation, boosts your mood, and helps you adjust to new environments more easily. Maintaining good hygiene is crucial to avoid getting sick while traveling. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water, especially before eating or after using public transportation. Carry hand sanitizer for situations where washing isn't possible. Avoid touching your face and be mindful of surfaces you come into contact with. Good hygiene habits help protect you from germs and keep you healthy on the go. Spending time outdoors is one of the joys of travel, but too much sun can be harmful. Protect your skin by wearing sunscreen, sunglasses, and a hat. Seek shade during peak sun hours and reapply sunscreen regularly, especially if you're swimming or sweating. Sun protection helps prevent burns, dehydration, and long-term skin damage, allowing you to enjoy your trip safely. Travel can be stressful, especially when dealing with delays, unfamiliar places, or tight schedules. Take time to relax and practice stress management techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or listening to music. Give yourself permission to slow down and enjoy the moment. Managing stress not only improves your mood, but also supports your overall health and well-being during your travels. Staying in touch with loved ones can provide emotional support and help you feel grounded while traveling. Use technology to check in regularly, share updates, and stay informed about any changes at home. Having a support system can make your journey more enjoyable and less stressful, especially if you encounter unexpected challenges along the way. Every destination has its own unique health risks, from water quality to local diseases. Research these risks before you travel and take appropriate precautions, such as drinking bottled water or avoiding certain foods. Stay updated on local health advisories and know where to find medical help if needed. Being aware of your surroundings helps you avoid unnecessary health issues. Vaccinations are an important part of travel health. especially when visiting regions with specific disease risks. Consult your doctor or a travel clinic well in advance to ensure you're up to date on all recommended vaccines. Some destinations may require proof of vaccination for entry. Staying protected helps you avoid serious illnesses and travel with confidence. Unexpected health issues can arise at any time, so having travel insurance is essential. Choose a policy that covers medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and lost belongings. Read the fine print to understand what's included and keep your insurance details handy. Travel insurance gives you peace of mind and ensures you're prepared for any situation. If you take regular medications, make sure to bring enough for your entire trip, plus a little extra in case of delays. Keep them in their original packaging and carry a copy of your prescription. Store medications in your carry-on bag to avoid loss or damage. Being prepared ensures you won't miss a dose and can manage your health effectively while away from home. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of travel and overdo it with activities. Listen to your body and pace yourself, especially when adjusting to new time zones or climates. Schedule downtime and don't be afraid to rest when needed. Avoiding overexertion helps you stay energized and reduces the risk of illness or injury. Transportation is a big part of travel, and safety should always come first. Wear seatbelts, follow local traffic laws, and avoid risky modes of transport. If you're renting a vehicle, make sure it's in good condition and you're familiar with the controls. Safe transportation choices help prevent accidents and keep your journey on track. Food and water safety is vital, especially in regions with different hygiene standards. Stick to bottled or filtered water, and avoid ice in drinks if you're unsure of the source. Eat food that is thoroughly cooked and served hot. Be cautious with raw fruits and vegetables unless you can peel them yourself. These precautions help prevent foodborne illnesses and keep your digestive system happy. Understanding and respecting local customs can help you avoid misunderstandings and stay healthy. Some cultures have specific practices around food, hygiene, or social interaction. Take time to learn about these customs before you travel. Being respectful not only enriches your experience, but also helps you adapt to new environments more smoothly. Crowded places like airports, markets, and public transport can increase your risk of illness or injury. Stay alert and keep your belongings secure. Practice good hygiene and avoid close contact with people who appear unwell. Being vigilant in crowded areas helps you stay safe and healthy throughout your travels. Having a list of emergency contacts is essential for any traveler. Include local emergency numbers, your country's embassy, and contacts for family or friends. Store this information in your phone and keep a written copy in your wallet. Quick access to emergency contacts can make a big difference in urgent situations. Insect bites can transmit diseases in some regions. Use insect repellent, wear long sleeves and pants, and sleep under mosquito nets if necessary. Check for ticks after spending time outdoors. Taking these precautions helps you avoid bites and reduces your risk of insect-borne illnesses. Even if you don't have access to a gym, you can stay active with simple exercises. Try bodyweight movements like squats, lunges, or push-ups in your hotel room. Take the stairs instead of the elevator and walk whenever possible. Staying active helps you feel your best and counteracts the effects of long periods of sitting. Pay attention to how you feel during your trip. If you notice any symptoms of illness, such as fever, cough, or stomach issues, take them seriously. Rest, hydrate, and seek medical help if needed. Monitoring your health allows you to address problems early and prevent them from getting worse. Swimming is a great way to relax and stay active, but safety is important. Swim only in designated areas and follow local guidelines. Avoid swimming in unfamiliar or unsafe waters, and never swim alone. Practicing safe swimming habits helps prevent accidents and keeps your travel experience enjoyable. While it's tempting to indulge in local drinks, excessive alcohol can dehydrate you and weaken your immune system. Set limits for yourself and alternate alcoholic beverages with water. Be mindful of your surroundings and avoid drinking to excess, especially in unfamiliar places. Responsible drinking helps you stay alert and healthy during your travels. Travel can be overwhelming at times, so it's important to care for your mental health. Take breaks, journal your experiences, and connect with supportive people. If you feel anxious or down, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Prioritizing your mental well-being ensures you get the most out of your travel experience. Technology can be a great ally for staying healthy on the road. Use apps to track your steps, monitor your sleep, or find healthy restaurants nearby. Set reminders to take medication or drink water. Leveraging technology helps you stay organized and focused on your health goals while traveling. Travel plans can change unexpectedly, so staying flexible is key to reducing stress and maintaining your health. Be open to adjusting your itinerary if needed, and don't let minor setbacks ruin your trip. Flexibility allows you to adapt to new situations and make the most of your travel experience. A clean environment is important for your health, especially in hotel rooms or shared accommodations. Wipe down frequently touched surfaces, use disinfectant wipes, and keep your belongings organized. A tidy space reduces your risk of illness and helps you feel more comfortable during your stay. Traveling with a companion can make your journey safer and more enjoyable. You can look out for each other, share responsibilities, and provide support in case of emergencies. If you're traveling solo, stay connected with friends or family and let them know your plans. Having someone to share your experiences with can boost your mood and well-being. Emergencies can happen anywhere, so it's important to be prepared. Know the location of the nearest hospital or clinic and carry a basic first aid kit. Familiarize yourself with local emergency procedures and have a plan in case something goes wrong. Being prepared helps you respond quickly and effectively to any situation. It's easy to spend too much time on your phone or laptop while traveling, but too much screen time can disrupt your sleep and increase stress. Set boundaries for device use, especially before bed. Use your travel time to disconnect, explore, and engage with your surroundings. Limiting screen time helps you stay present and enjoy your journey more fully. Adventure activities like hiking, biking, or water sports can be thrilling, but safety is crucial. Use proper equipment, follow local guidelines, and know your limits. Don't take unnecessary risks, and always let someone know your plans. Practicing safety ensures you have fun without compromising your health. Interacting with wildlife and exploring nature can be a highlight of your trip, but it's important to do so responsibly. Keep a safe distance from animals, avoid feeding them, and follow local conservation rules. Respecting nature helps protect both you and the environment, ensuring a safe and memorable experience. Staying updated on local news and events can help you avoid potential risks and make informed decisions. Monitor news sources for weather updates, health advisories, or safety alerts. Being informed allows you to adjust your plans and stay safe during your travels. Beyond sunscreen, accessories like hats, sunglasses, and UV protective clothing can offer extra protection from the sun. Choose lightweight, breathable fabrics and wear them during outdoor activities. These simple additions help you stay cool and prevent sunburn, making your travels more comfortable. A strong immune system is your best defense against illness while traveling. Eat nutritious foods, get enough sleep, manage stress, and stay active. Consider taking vitamins if recommended by your doctor. Supporting your immune system helps you stay healthy and enjoy your trip to the fullest. Meeting new people is part of the travel experience, but it's important to practice safe social interaction. Maintain personal space, avoid sharing personal items, and be mindful of local health guidelines. Safe social practices help you build connections while protecting your health. Air quality can vary greatly from place to place. If you're traveling to areas with pollution or allergens, take precautions such as wearing a mask or using air purifiers in your accommodation. Monitor air quality reports and limit outdoor activities when levels are high. Protecting your respiratory health helps you feel better during your trip. Keeping your travel plans, documents, and health essentials organized can reduce stress and help you respond quickly to any situation. Use travel organizers, digital apps, or checklists to keep everything in order. Staying organized ensures you have what you need when you need it, making your trip smoother and healthier. If you experience serious symptoms or an emergency, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Know the location of local hospitals or clinics and understand how to access emergency services. Prompt action can make a big difference in your recovery and overall health while traveling. After each trip, take time to reflect on what worked well and what could be improved for your health. Adjust your routines and packing lists based on your experiences. Continuous improvement helps you become a smarter, healthier traveler with every journey. Staying healthy while traveling is all about preparation, mindfulness, and making smart choices. By following these tips, you can protect your physical and mental well-being, enjoy your adventures, and return home feeling refreshed. Remember, your health is your most valuable travel companion. Safe travels and stay well wherever you go.